What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we are going to be doing something really special today. We're actually going to be opening up this super treasure hunt, the first super for 2023 Classic TV Series Batmobile. Yeah, I know, you might be thinking I'm crazy, but actually a lot more people open supers than you think. And I would not ever open this if it weren't for the fact that I actually scored a second one. These were from I found these at my local grocery store, and for some reason they had United States packaging. They got like US cases in, and I got to look through one of the cases and actually found this second one through a already looked through dump bin, which was actually quite a surprise. But yeah, I'm glad I found a second one of this classic TV series Batmobile. This is a tuned version of this casting. I also opened up the mainline counterpart of this one in metallic dark red, kind of an ugly one, to be honest. And this casting first debuted in 2022. I will be opening these ones in a future video, but these are the first two colors of it. And this is the 2023 A case Super Treasure Hunt. I found two of them, so this is going to be the one we're cracking open. We have a soft corner right here and 3 creases in the J-hook. So here we go, guys. From Batman series number 1 of 5 for 2023 and 3 of 250 on the year. And the AK Super, special toy number right there. Different than the mainline toy number. Alright, here goes nothing. You ready for this, guys? Oh my gosh. You have no idea how good that felt. There is a Super Treasure Hunt logo right there. Boom. Look at this thing. I can now say that I've opened a Super Treasure Hunt. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow. This is insane. This feels insane. Let's see. Yeah, this feels heavier than the mainline. Look at that. Beautiful Spectreflame red against, look at that ugly dark red. And then this is Spectreflame red. This really pops. Like, you have no idea how much off screen. My goodness. Wow, I have no regrets over this. Look at this. Light gray interior. I know I depreciated, but you know, I can finally say that I've cracked a super in my lifetime. Holy crap. There's a nice thumbnail for you guys. Alright, so we got these treaded rubber tires. These are probably Real Rider 5 spokes. They're blacked out with the orange lip around them. This is so cool. An ugly casting, but just a great release of this. Spectreflame red. Look at that color. That is an amazing color. There's the TH right there. And orange windows. There's the Batman logo. Such a cool ride. Super Treasure Hunt. Oh, no. Now where do I display this thing? Oh my gosh. I can actually take tires off. I'm not going to do that, though. Wow. Play well. It rolls. I want to drop it. This is like a $30 car loose. Probably 50 in the package. If the package was damaged, probably like 40. But, you know, I only get one life, so why not just crack a super today? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. You're not going to get one of these for a long time, cracking open a super, but yeah, guys, this is an awesome episode. And, alright, well, I'm going to be leaving this one on my wall. Hopefully I can get a Protecto for this mint package. Package is pretty much mint. And hopefully I can find some more supers this year. I actually found 2 of them. I'm so surprised. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Love to see the support on the channel. Keep it up. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.